Good morning, everyone. Today we will start a new lesson in unit number 3, and the name of the lesson is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Have you ever read a comic book? I think your answer will be in yes. Yeah, right? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. So this is also, you can see here, this is a picture story. In this story, Gopal is a very intelligent boy and he always try to make smile to everyone. And Hilsa fish, so this Hilsa is one type of a name of a fish. So let's start our lesson. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but हिल्सा फिश. हिल्सा मछलियाँ पकड़ने का मौसम था. आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू दैट हिल्सा इज वन टाइप ऑफ अ फिश. मछुआरों ने बड़ी संख्या में उन्हें पकड़ा. एंड ऑल द फिशरमैन could think nothing but only हिल्सा fish. They sold them in the market. The prices they said were down. Then fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Here you can see, you can read the word given here, fishmongers. So fishmongers means traders in fish, मछलियों के व्यापारी. Fishmongers means मछलियों के व्यापारी. Come buy. The price of Hilsa is down today. What they were said? They all were said, आओ खरीदो, आज हिल्सा की जो प्राइस है वो डाउन है, कम है. So come and buy. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. जो हाउस होल्डर थे, गृहस्थ लोग थे, वो भी हिल्सा मछलियों के अतिरिक्त किसी अन्य विषय पर बातें नहीं कर रहे थे. उस हिल्सा के लिए तुमने कितना मूल्य चुकाया? तुम्हें विश्वास नहीं आएगा यदि मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा. So everyone were talking about Hilsa fish. Everyone, and this news was discussed by all householders. They were amazed that the fish came to such a low price. In the palace, too, the courtier could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was. And in the palace also the courtiers discussed the matter. A courtier showed the king a big fish he had caught. The king lost his temper and he said, "Stop it! Are you a courtier or a fisherman?" The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. "I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one." Then the courtier became silent and said, the king realized his mistake. He told that even Gopal couldn't stop anyone from talking about Hilsa. Then he told not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. फिर क्या बोला राजा ने? गोपाल भी किसी व्यक्ति को हिल्सा मछलियों के बारे में बातें करने से नहीं रोक सकता है, 5 मिनट के लिए भी नहीं. Oh, I think I could, Majesty. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Then what does Gopal say? Gopal said, I accept your challenge. Since Gopal accepted the challenge, he started walking accordingly. Then वो महाराज की चुनौती मंजूर करता है. A few days later, फिर थोड़े दिनों के बाद, वाई इज योर फेस हाफ शेवन? आई एम ड्रेसिंग अप टू बाय अ फिश। थोड़े दिनों के बाद उनकी जो गोपाल की जो वाइफ है वो गोपाल से पूछती है कि आपने अपनी आधी बियर्ड क्यों बनाई है? Here you can see in the picture also, Gopal had shaved his face half, so his wife asked him, why is your face half shaven? Then Gopal replied, I am dressing up to buy a fish. क्या बोला गोपाल ने? गोपाल ने बोला मैं फिश खरीदने के लिए जा रहा हूँ एंड इसीलिए मैं रेडी हो रहा हूँ. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Here the meaning of smearing means पोतना, लीपना. His wife asked Gopal, क्या हुआ है आपको? What's the matter with you? आपको क्या हो गया है? What are you smearing yourself with ash? जो गोपाल है वो अपने फेस पे ऐश लगा रहा है. ऐश मीन्स राख, जिसको हम राख बोलते हैं. So he became half shaven and covered himself with ash. Then his wife again asked, why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a हिल्सा fish. फिर दूसरी बार गोपाल ने बोला, मैंने तुम्हें बताया है कि मैं हिल्सा मछली खरीदने के लिए ऐसे कपड़े पहन रहा हूँ, ऐसे तैयार हो रहा हूँ. Then when his wife asked him the reason about his look, he said that he was dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. His wife thought he had gone mad. Then उनकी गोपाल की जो वाइफ है वो क्या सोच रही है? वो सोच रही है अपने आप में कि अब ये जो गोपाल है वो तो पागल हो गया है. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? फिर जो गोपाल की वाइफ है उनसे रहा नहीं जा रहा है. वो क्या बोल रही है गोपाल को? लिसन टू मी, मेरी बात तो सुनो. आप इन फटे पुराने शर्मनाक कपड़ों में बाहर नहीं जा सकते. आपको ये क्या हो गया है? मैं आपको कितनी बार बताऊं? देन गोपाल सेड, व्हाट गोपाल सेड? ही सेड, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स मस्ट आई टेल यू वुमन, आई एम आउट टू बाय अ ह्यूज हिल्सा फिश. गोपाल ने बोला, कितनी बार बताऊं मैं एक विशाल हिल्सा मछली खरीदने की फराक में हूँ. देन हिज वाइफ थॉट, व्हाट्स हैपेंड टू हिम? ही इज गॉन मैड. क्या सोच रही है कि क्या हो गया है इन्हें? ये तो पागल हो गए हैं. देन लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स. गोपाल bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. अब गोपाल ने हिल्सा फिश खरीदी थी और वो पैलेस की तरफ चल के जा रहा था. मदर, लुक एट दैट मैन, isn't he comical? Now you can see in this picture a child pointed out to Gopal and he said to her mother, his mother, that mother, look at that man, isn't he comical? मम्मी देखो वो मैन देखो, वो कॉमिकल नहीं लग रहा है, जैसे वो पागल लग रहा है. सो another one also said, he must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, a security guard asked him, what do you want? Gopal replied, I want to see the king. He told the guards he wanted to see the kings, but they didn't allow him to enter. Then you can't see the king. Get away with you. The security guards told Gopal that you can't see the king. तुम राजा से नहीं मिल सकते हो, यहाँ से चले जाओ. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. फिर गोपाल ने क्या किया? वो जोर जोर से गाना गाने लगा और डांस करने लगा. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. फिर पैलेस के अंदर जब राजा किंग गोपाल की आवाज़ सुनते हैं तो राजा क्या बोल रहे हैं? द मैन इज क्रेजी. and threw him out at once. The king ordered to bring him to the court. Gopal introduced himself before the king. Bring that man to at once. Yes, your majesty. Then the king ordered a guard to bring Gopal. Then Gopal was brought before the king. Here you can see in the second picture, Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. फिर जो दूसरे कॉर्टियर्स थे वो गोपाल के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं? They said the man has lost his mind. ये इंसान तो पागल हो गया है. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. फिर किसी ने क्या बोला? मुझे तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि इसका ये एक जॉक मार रहा है. All right, Gopal, cut with it. Then the king ordered Gopal, why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? फिर जो राजा है वो राजा गोपाल से पूछ रहे हैं कि तूने ऐसे कपड़े पहन क्यों रखे हैं? ये तूने सब क्या कर दिया? अपने फेस पे क्या लगाया है? योर मैजेस्टी, यू सीम टू हैव फॉरगॉटन समथिंग. फिर गोपाल ने राजा से बोला कि राजा आप कुछ भूल रहे हो. फॉरगॉटन समथिंग, ये सुनकर राजा बोल रहे हैं कुछ भूल गया हूँ. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Then जो गोपाल है वो बोल रहा है काफ़ी विचित्र बात है, आज कोई भी हिल्सा मछली में कोई रुचि नहीं ले रहा है. बाजार से लेके राजमहल तक और दरबार में किसी भी व्यक्ति ने हिल्सा मछली के बारे में एक शब्द भी नहीं बोला है. गोपाल said, he explained that when he was coming to the palace, not a single man spoke about Hilsa fish. Everyone got attracted towards his look. They didn't mind the fish. So only then did the king remember that challenge he had thrown to Gopal. तब जाके राजा को ये उसकी जो चुनौती थी वो याद आ गई जो उन्होंने गोपाल को दी थी. हाँ, वेल गोपाल, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, यू हैव अचीव्ड द इम्पॉसिबल वंस अगेन. फिर जो राजा है वो गोपाल से बोल रहे हैं हाँ ठीक है, बधाई हो गोपाल, तुमने एक बार फिर असंभव चीज को प्राप्त कर लिया है. Then the king remembered the challenge and he had thrown to Gopal. He congratulated Gopal on his achieving the impossible task. So that's all about this picture story. I hope you all enjoyed it.